It surely is hot out here. I think it's like 99 degrees, 99 right now. Humidity super high. And it just plumb old hot, okay? And that pretty much brings up today's topic of cooling, okay? I am finally gonna be putting in that radiator that I've had just chilling in the garage. Chilling in the garage, right over there, that little box. Guys, this place is a mess. I've been doing a lot of things behind the scenes, which I think I might be doing some YouTube shorts to, you know, give you guys a chance to see what I'm doing, okay? Cherry picker, obviously, was in here. I bought 3 cars, okay? I bought a 98 Econoliner. I bought a 93 Chevy Suburban and a 02 Chevy Suburban. You guys probably saw them on the screen there. I bought those for $300 for all of them, and I sold all of them just to, you know, pretty much recoup the money I, you know, spent on them. And pretty much, I took the 02 Suburban's 5.3 out and pretty much sold that to a buddy of mine for his little Ram LS swap. Anywho, let's get back to topic here. Let's go ahead and see what type of modifications I'm gonna have to be doing to make this radiator fit in the old box body, because I know for a fact it's not gonna fit. So what we have here is a Champion cooling radiator, full aluminum, of course. It came with a cap, which is always super handy in these cases. It's a 3-core, so it's pretty beefy compared to the single core that I have in there. So let's go ahead and get the hood off. Bam, and just like that, hood is off. So here's that single core here. It just doesn't do the job. I sit there, I wanna say idling is like 196. So it just, I hope with this one I can like cruise at like 180, because I feel like that would just be so much better on this engine, okay? I want it to last until I can find another like a 6.0 and start building that over the winter, because over the winter, guys, I mean, a lot of things are gonna happen. I just want this thing to last for this season alone, because I want to win some races and then just pretty much move up from there. See, one issue, the blowout valve right here might need clocked a little bit, pretty much just make the angle the same on that one, on the side, because the fan's hitting it there, and this hose might be our problem. I guess we'll find out. So first things first, let's drain the coolant. All right, find the peacock here. Boy, does this suck when there's stuff all over the ground. Oh, leaking. Easiest way to do this, take your cap off. You'll hear it go. There we go. Now we're losing coolant. Gotta take a little bit of a snack break while I'm waiting on this, just to have an apple, you know. Tastes pretty good. Okay, now that you think it's done draining, because it looks like a, you know, pond down there, I'm gonna go ahead and take off your upper radiator hose. Just take this one off. I think you can just swing it around without taking this guy off. Okay, get this pucker off. I said pucker, I didn't say the other word. Ha ha ha, family friendly. Family friendly. I think the hardest part is actually gonna be trying to pull out this fan with this thing still in the way. All I gotta do is go straight up with it, but it doesn't want to do that. And just like that, here's the fan that's making the squeaking noise. Just like that, this is up, and all I'm gonna do is push it right there so I can drop this one down. Now I can take these, get those broken off. Now we take off the lower and pull it up or out. Well, pull it up or down. All right, now we can try pull this one up and out of them. Maybe, kind of, sort of. Hey, what if I take off this cap? I'm actually having one hell of a time. Oh, what was that? What was that? Oh, cool. And there it is. Old junky, oop, whoopsies. Old junky radiator out. See, this is so much smaller than this guy. Look at that. Look at the difference here. Holy crap. See, here is a single. Maybe it's a dual, but it looks like a single. Okay, compared to a 3-core. Obviously, there's a big difference here. Size-wise, it's literally the exact same thing that I have, so which is just perfectly nice. So everything should line up just how it should. All right, now let's go ahead and get this loose and then move the other one. Bam, just like that, it's moved. All right, now I got this. I think this is gonna leak on me. Very positive it's gonna leak on me, but we'll find out. So now I need to figure out how to get it up and in, but without damaging it, because I really don't want to damage it. Okay, there we go. Maybe it's too big. That's what she said. There we go. I mean, there's a high chance it will. Yeah. Oh well. If we put a ratchet strap on there and find something to tie it down to, then it won't.
No. It's gonna fall.
Yeah, I think it is.
The whole motor is pretty much out of the car.
Get the ratchet strap.
Yeah. That didn't work.
You're not supposed to film it until he's actually getting ready to pull it.
Gotta film the setup.
Okay, hold on. I can do that again. I've fished before in my life. Yeah, there we go.
Oh shit.
Hey, you're tight. You're good. Whoa.
Trying to put some nice clear water through the system, and then Zach, if you want to go ahead and start her up, we can. Nah, hold off. I'm gonna pour some fluid in there and make sure I'm not leaking anywhere. Do a little pressure test. Well, it leaking, but not where I wanted it to leak. All right, I'm trying to see if I can plug this up any way, shape, or form, but I don't think I can with anything I have here. So what am I gonna do now, Zach? What am I gonna do? Go to advance for what?
Find a bigger plug.
Bigger plug? All right, let's see if we're good. Wing gear, just don't want to make another fuck up. Cold start! All right, you ready to go, Zach? I don't know if y'all can see anything. So Zach's gonna be on the camera as well. Okay, let's see what these street tires got. So far we're at 175. I'm about to hit the highway and see what she's done. I think there's a cop over there at the Emprise, so I don't want to get on it unless I want a ticket, you know what I'm saying? I think this semi wants to race us. I'll slow down for him. It was gonna. Try it again?
Yeah.
Right there at 22. Dang it. I wonder, it's at 190. I don't know if it should be there or not. I do not think so, sir. You do not get close to me. I'm not even flooring it yet. All right, Zach wants the beans. I'm gonna open up the can of beans. Unless this car behind us is a cop. All right, there's no capo. See you later, loser. All right, hold on. I'm gonna make sure these cars pass, and I'll stop and I'll do my thing. Giving guys, this is street tires, so we might die.
Better
Ready?
let out before we die.
Let's just do a thingy. There's probably a vacuum leak. It might have been something did something. Yeah, if I let off the gas, it's still cruising.
Still cruising?
Yeah. I think it wants to idle that high. Yeah. Zach, I didn't know this was your car.
I know, all these Mustangs just breaking down.
This one's light. Unlike yours, mister. Let's push it 4 miles. Guys, I think we got a vacuum leak somewhere. I don't know, but it's idling at like 2,400 RPM and it doesn't want to shut down. So we'll get this in the shop real fast and see what is going on. Let's see what's going on. Pop the hood.
Oh, found it.
Why the hell does
the
it?
plate go?
I took it off. I didn't think I needed it.
You need it.
I still need it. Well, the map sensor popped out again. I don't know what's going on there, honestly. Hopefully I don't have another bad brake booster like I did last time, causing that to pop out. Or it popped out because we were doing so much boost. Okay. It did start getting a little hot after a while. I don't know if that was from me or not. Well, like from this coming out. I know I loosened this a little so it shows a little bit of wetness. But I'm a burp it one more time because I think there's an air pocket, like typical on your LS's. They get stuck up in the cylinder head, so I'm gonna do that. Do we know what fucking burnt up and like caught a flame over here?
The turbos?
What I think it is, it's these particles right here catching on fire. So
all I know is it was hot around these turbos.
well, they normally are. I'll show you a video. I'll show you a video of how hot they actually get.
Well, I saw like a flame coming out over here when before you shut it off.
Oh yeah.
It was like right in here.
Yeah, they get hot. I wonder if that's what's my problem too, is it's cooking my actual master cylinder on my brake fluid and they're getting way too hot. So I might try to figure something out there, but right now we're gonna go work on Zach's car. We're gonna pull the fuel pump and see what's going on. But I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I got that in, I don't know. It's not really helping me coolant wise. I mean, 202 is fine, but like that was after like 3 hard pulls, back to back to back. So if you guys liked the video, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.